Hello, Namaskar, welcome. I'm Dr. Electronics. I hope you're doing good. This video is going to interest people who are into PCs and cryptocurrency mining. So I've been a dormant crypto miner and I joined the mining bandwagon very late. When I started for a while and within 3 days it went kaput, out of order, dead. It went on a starting loop without any post. So the troubleshooting began. First thing I noticed was that the USB powered keyboard and mouse were dead. I thought the CPU was dead. After going online, I found out articles saying the RAM might be bad. So I switched the RAM modules in every possible slot combination. It didn't work. Then I replaced the CPU. The i5 7600K with the i3 6098P, which was originally meant to be used in the mining rig. Still no success. Then the fear in my heart, I tested my Corsair AX 1200i power supply. To my relief, it was working fine. Then the final thing that remained was the motherboard. I got the MSI H110M Pro VH Plus, which is basically the H110 chipset based Intel motherboard. And you can see what happened after taking out the old motherboard and putting in the new one. Here I'm just showcasing my other graphic cards, which I have plans for. I'll be sharing it in another video. Victory, in the words of the great samurai. So as can be seen, the computer is working, the GPU is working, the CPU is everything is working, and this PC is finally mining cryptocurrency. And if you like the video so far, please hit that like button and do subscribe. And to show you that the PC is indeed mining, I've got the MSI GTX 1080 Ti mining at 22.45 mega hashes per second here. 4345. So this is still mining the Raven coin. I've got the MSI Afterburner hooked up to these settings. Please don't copy them blindly, just they work with this really great. And all the graphs can be seen here, all the statistics related to what the hash rate is. I've employed 2 of my PCs for mining for getting better results. And since the inception, I've mined around 205 coins. So here it is. As always, thank you for coming to the channel. If you like this video, do share it with your friends. Hit that like button if you like it, and do subscribe for more. Thank you very much. I'm signing off. Bye bye.